Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. In the realm of DE projects, repairs, and everyday household tasks, a reliable screwdriver set is indispensable. However, with the multitude of options available, selecting the right one can be a daunting task. Enter multifunctional screwdriver sets, designed to offer versatility and convenience, with a variety of interchangeable bits for different screw types and sizes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual DE enthusiast, having a multifunctional screwdriver set in your toolkit can save you time, effort, and frustration. To help you navigate through the myriad choices, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best multifunctional screwdriver sets, each offering exceptional quality, durability, and functionality to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. Let's dive into our selections to find the perfect companion for your projects. Number 5. CDEK 115in1 Screwdriver Set. First and foremost, the set's versatility is unparalleled. With 115 pieces included, it covers practically every screw head type imaginable, from slotted and Torx to posi-driven tri-wing. Whether I'm working on my laptop, smartphone, or household appliances, I always have the right tool for the job at my fingertips. The inclusion of less common types like Y-type and 5-point has saved me from having to purchase additional sets. The build quality of the screwdrivers is impressive as well. Constructed from chrome vanadium steel, they feel sturdy and durable in hand. I've encountered no issues with stripped or damaged screw heads, even when tackling stubborn screws. Additionally, the magnetic tips are a godsend, preventing screws from dropping and getting lost during intricate tasks. Number 4. 63in1 Precision Screwdriver Set. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering with electronics, gadgets, or even doing small repairs around the house, then the 63in1 Precision Screwdriver Set might just be your new best friend. This comprehensive set boasts an impressive array of bits, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The screwdriver bits are made from CRV chrome vanadium steel, renowned for its durability and resistance to corrosion. This ensures that each bit maintains its shape and strength even after prolonged use. Additionally, the aluminum alloy handle provides a comfortable grip and feels sturdy in hand, while the ABS shell offers protection and keeps everything neatly organized. Number 3. Kingston Screwdriver Kit. The Kingston Screwdriver Kit is a comprehensive and versatile toolset designed to cater to various repair and maintenance needs, particularly in the realm of electronics and small appliances. As an avid DE enthusiast and tech-savvy individual, I recently acquired this kit to bolster my collection of essential tools, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in several aspects. First and foremost, the build quality of the tools is commendable. Crafted from high-carbon steel, each screwdriver boasts durability and resilience, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The handles are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip and minimizing hand fatigue during extended repair sessions. Additionally, the non-slit feature adds an extra layer of safety and precision, crucial when dealing with intricate tasks. Number 2. LETIITTGOO Screwdriver Set. One of the standout features of this set is its comprehensive range of screw heads, from slotted and Phillips to Torx, hex, posi-driv, and even specialized types like Y-type, tri-wing, S-type, and 5-point. This set has you covered for virtually any screw type you might encounter. This versatility is a huge time saver, as it eliminates the need to hunt down individual screwdrivers for different tasks, making it a go-to solution for professionals and DE enthusiasts alike. The inclusion of magnetic tips is another thoughtful addition. Not only do they securely hold screws in place, preventing frustrating slips and drops, but they also facilitate effortless one-handed operation, allowing for smoother and more efficient work. This feature alone significantly enhances the user experience and sets the screwdriver set apart from others on the market. Number 1. GoGoPanda HT0207 Screwdriver Set. Another aspect that I appreciate about the GoGoPanda HT0207 set is its ergonomic design. The handles are designed with a non-slip grip, which provides excellent control and comfort during use. Additionally, the screwdrivers are dismountable, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. The inclusion of magnetic tips is also a nice touch. This feature ensures that screws are securely held in place during installation or removal, reducing the likelihood of dropping or losing them. In terms of packaging, the set comes neatly organized in a package containing 50 to 79 pieces, depending on the variant you choose. This makes it easy to keep track of all the screwdrivers and ensures that they remain protected when not in use. Thanks for watching this video.